up guys, here I am again, Thiago from Flip, and today in this video class we'll talk about two different expressions, alright? The expressions are there is and there are, okay? This is not the first time, this is the second time we talk about these two expressions, okay? The first time we talked about them was in lesson 8, beginner B. So if you look for, you can find this other video on our channel on YouTube and you can watch it too, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. Check it out. Okay guys, so as I said, today we will talk about the expressions there is and there are, okay? We have a short definition about them right here. Let's take a look. The expressions there is and there are both used to express existence, but there is a difference, alright? There is indicates the singular form, while there are indicates the plural form. Simple like this, okay? Let's take a look at some specific examples. First, we'll talk about the expression there is, which indicates singular, alright? So I have a picture here for us. This is a bar, right? So it's possible to say that, for example, there is a bar across from my house, okay? And then, this is the affirmative form of the expression there is. So, there is a bar across from my house. Now, imagine that I have some questions about this picture here, okay? The first one is, look at the picture. Is there a bartender in the picture? Yes, there is a bartender in the picture. Or, to answer this question, you can use the short form, the short answer, which is, yes, there is. Alright? And then I have another question. Take a look at the picture again. Is there a client in the bar? No, there isn't a client in the bar. Or, in this case, you can also use the short form, which is, no, there isn't. You see? So, in these examples, we could see the affirmative, the negative, and the interrogative forms of the expression there is. So, the affirmative is, of course, there is, the interrogative is there, and the negative, there isn't, okay? Very simple. Now, let's move on and see some examples with there are, okay? Which, as I said before, indicates the plural form, okay? And then for this, to explain this expression, I have another picture for you, right? This is a gym. Based on this picture, I can create a sentence. I can say, there are many gyms in my neighborhood, okay? Where I live, okay? There are many gyms around my house. And then, about the same picture, I have some questions for you. Let's take a look at the first one. Analyze the picture. Are there people in this gym? Yes, there are many people in the gym. Or, remember the short form? Yes, there are. Okay? And then I have another question for you. Take a look at the picture again. The question is, are there children in this picture? Take a look. Are there any children in the picture? No, right? So, no, there aren't any children in this picture. Or, as I said before, you can use the short form, which is, no, there aren't. So, with these examples about the expression there are, we have, as I said before, with there is, we have the affirmative form, there are, the interrogative form, are there, and the negative form, there aren't. Okay? So guys, this is it about the expressions there is and there are. But there are some other expressions, right, that we can use together with these expressions there is and there are. Let's take a look. We can call them some useful expressions, expressions that will help us work with there is and there are. For example, I can use expressions like across the street, around the corner, near my house, next to my house, down the street, on my street, 10 minutes away, on the next block. And of course, there are many other expressions that we can use in this case. Alright? And then I have some examples for you. Then you can visualize, you can see in more details how to use these expressions. Let's take a look at the examples we have here. The first one is, there are some coffee shops down the street. Or, there isn't a bank around the corner. Another possibility is, are there restaurants on the next block? Or, there is a bookstore on my street. And finally, there are convenience stores 10 minutes away, 10 minutes distant from where we are right now. Okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, okay? Don't forget to check our other video on our channel on YouTube, Beginner B Lesson 8, which is about the same topic, there is and there are. And I'll see you guys around. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.